Can't wait to get on the road again.
Welcome back. Today, well, this afternoon rather, I think I have a small project that I'll be able to film for you. It's a call from a property management company of a mystery water leak underneath the kitchen sink. They've received some digital images from the tenant. It appears that the faucet is leaking around the base where it sits on top of the countertop. Most likely the cartridge inside is leaking and coming down and draining out onto the countertop. They said, they being the property management company, go pick up a faucet and replace it. So those are the orders. And I have a brand new $88 Glacier Bay faucet right in my back seat. We'll go see what the leak is. Most likely it is a faucet. Hey Polly. Yoo-hoo! It never comes out. Are you shy? She's gonna assist me if she can stay awake long enough. golly, you weren't much help back there. That was kind of interesting. Faucet that I removed, I've never seen one that was mounted that way before. So that was interesting. It had this little Allen head set screw on the back of the base. Well, obviously you saw how it came out. Usually there's some sort of nut underneath that you screw up in there. Now the one that I put in, you didn't need any tools. It was this plastic thing, and when you shoved it up over the threaded pipe, when you push it up to the countertop, it squeezes in, and then you just hand tighten it. Things are changing. Lots of innovative new methods to a lot of these plumbing fixtures. You saw the shark bites. I didn't put those in. You saw an older thing of PEX. It looked like there had been a leak somewhere in the past because of all that hard water stains on the PEX and the crimps. Well, that's an example of something that I see every day when I refer to shark bites being everywhere. Now, if you got any questions, I know this was a short video. I don't know if it was exactly a how-to, but I think just watching this gives you a better idea of how a kitchen faucet comes in, or goes in and comes out, or comes out and goes in and out. Any questions? Put them in the comments section below. Goodbye.